So on Wix editor, you can just click on the header that you want to be freeze or to be pinned until this orange rectangle appear called header. And then after that, you can just click on the gear icon at the right side of the header called header scroll setting. Or if you don't find it, you can just click on these more actions right here by click on these three dots and then choose on header scroll settings. And right here at the header scroll settings, you can just choose the freeze one right here beside the scroll width side. And then if I click on preview at the top right of the screen, as you can see, when I scroll down, the header was still there, freeze or pin. And then to unfreeze or to unpin it, you can go back to your editor, click again on the header, and then click on header scroll settings. And then right here, just choose the scroll width side. So when you scroll down, the header will gone too. The fades out and the disappear are also have the same kind of setting with the scroll width sides. So when you scroll down, the header will be gone. And after that, don't forget to click on publish at the very top right of your screen so everyone can see a change that you've made on your Wix editor. And that's how to pin or unpin header on Wix. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.